lovelies, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Eyescream Beauty's September box. So let's see what I got. It's right here. And in case you're wondering, Eyescream Beauty box is a monthly subscription. It's all makeup related. Sometimes you get a skincare, but it's rare. It's mostly makeup, and it guarantees an eyeshadow palette each month. So that's awesome. This is the card with all the information and is fall themed. So we have here the Glow Light from this brand. It's a highlighter. This retails for $15. It says the Glow Light highlighter is perfect for those who want to be radiant or have a natural glowing skin, providing a luminous finish that lasts all day. I already tried this. It's on my face. That video will be coming up after this one because I did a full face of new products that I'm trying out, not just some products from this box but from other brands as well. So stay tuned for that so you know my thoughts on this. So the first thing, as you can see, is already open. Let me show you. It's kind of on the icy side. So that's the first item. The next item I see here is by Chantico Beauty, and this is a multi-chrome eyeshadow. It retails for $19. Lately they've been putting these type of multi-chromes on all their boxes. Very creamy. Those two together look very pretty. The next thing I see here is by CHERYLH Cosmetics, and this is the Clean Canvas Eyeshadow Base by CHERYLH Cosmetics. It retails for $22. This is a fan favorite. This shadow primer, okay, it's a shadow primer, will make almost every eyeshadow last all day. It also helps prevent creasing, minimizes wrinkles, and the white in particular helps to keep shadow true to color. So okay, so you know what? I will try this because I never put on eyeshadow primers ever, and the only one that I've tried I didn't like. It was by JCat, and I didn't like it at all. So I'll give this a shot and see if I like it. Obviously I'm not gonna try it now because I already put on makeup, so I can't open it, but this is it. Next I see this little bag. It's by ZZ, and this is the Galactic Matte Liquid Lipstick by ZZ Cosmetics. It retails for $26. This matte liquid lipstick is part of the soon-to-be launched Galactic collection by ZZ Cosmetics. This collection will be launching later this year for US residents. Very interesting. Love the packaging. It's very galactic. Let me show you the color. Oh wow, it's very matte. Can't wait to try that. Hopefully it's not too drying on the lips because I hate those. And the last thing is the palette, which comes like this. Now this is what I have on my eyes right now. And again, you can see that tutorial in the next video. This is the Secret Grove palette by Gourmande Girls Cosmetics in collaboration with Eyescream Beauty. It retails for $30. It says this palette is beyond pigmented and so easy to work with. It features 10 mattes and 2 shifty dual chromes, 1 glitter and 1 shimmer. These are the 2 shimmers, that one and that one. This one is the one that's multi-chrome. It's very, very impressive. I love creating this look with it. So I'm glad I got this in my Eyescream Beauty box. Those were the 5 items in this month's box. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you got in your box to see if it's different. And let me know what you liked. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.